Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat for ya. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Alright, y'all, I'm in my usual spot picking filler crabs, and as you see, I got the lure on here, but I happen to see a red in the flats right here when the water comes up. So there's the tide, but the tide is coming in, so the water comes up, and I seen a red in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to attempt to catch it. I saw him, he came up, so I don't know where he went, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw out and see what happens. And when I catch him, I'll let y'all know. This is what I'm using right here, so hopefully I get him. Let's see where he's at. Should be in there somewhere. He's over there, so there he is. I see him. He's right there. I'm gonna see if I can get him. The fish is biting my line, but this damn bird, this bird is trying to take my damn fish. Get it! Oh, ooh, I got him. Oh, got him, y'all. Me and the bird was competing to get the fish. I got him first. Whew. Dang. Hold on, y'all. Let me bring him in. I'm trying to hold my phone and do this at the same time. Trying to get him out this grass. Here you come. Wish I had my camera. Gotta do what I gotta do. Whew. Yeah. Nice. But not the flats. I heard go get my measuring thing to measure him. See how big he is. This bad boy is 24, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. This is what I got him on right here. So let's go ahead and release this bad boy. All right, y'all. .24 inches, red. I'll go ahead and release him. And there he goes, off.